Concerned about ants getting into your trailer? You might want to stick around for this one. And if you're looking to be better informed about truck towing and all things RV and camping related, start now by subscribing. Click the bell notification and you won't miss a thing. Hello, this is Dwayne and welcome back to Life in Our Time. If ants is something that you've experienced in your trailer and you're looking for ways to keep them out so you don't have to deal with them when they do get in, I've got a simple solution for you. It's something that I swear by all the time. They do come in different types of names, products, packaging. This one's called Agon. Basically, it's the same active ingredient in them. So the content of all of these is silicon dioxide, which presents itself as diatomaceous earth. Basically, it's shells, it's mussel shells, it's clam shells, it's any type of crustacean shells that are crushed up into a powder. And that's basically all it is. So this one is Agon ant killer. You can get them in a variety of different products, different packaging, but basically it's the same type of content that does the job. And in my experience, it does the job pretty effectively. Let me go show you what I do around our trailer to make sure that this stuff is working effectively and that we don't get visitors where we don't want them. So what you're looking for are any contact points that your travel trailer or anything connected to it make contact with the ground. So in this case, our leveling jacks are a point of contact. Our trailer tires are 2 points of contact around the front of your travel trailer. Your jack point is a point of contact. But not only that, and you may not think of this one, but your power cord and your water hose are also points of contact with the ground. So basically all I do, and you can see remnants from when I did already do this at the campsite. We did have a heavy rainstorm, so after any type of major rain events you should be checking. Anywhere where it's been fairly sheltered from the rain, you're probably okay, but around your tires they usually get washed out. You can see there's a nice little critter right there. He's looking for a way to get in, but they tend not to like the powder. Basically give it a little spray around. I can be sparing on this one. There's not much to add. Around your trailer tires, make sure you do the fronts, the sides, and make sure you get around the back of your tires as well. Get around your jack stand. And also don't forget your electrical cord. I tend to do it right around the point where the cord leaves the ground and then ascends up into your trailer. And similarly by your water hose. It's a non-toxic product, it's a natural product, so it's not going to hurt any animals that you'll have camping with you or other animals that other people have at the campsites. The only time I've had ants in the trailer is when I haven't used the powder. It's a product I do swear by, and I hope it works for you and you have good luck with it as well. If you use diatomaceous earth or have some other product you use at your RV, please drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and see what other people's experiences are like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up. If you want to continue to increase your knowledge around trucks towing and all things RV and camping related, start now by subscribing. Click the bell notification and you won't miss a thing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. Take care.